Hi everyone, welcome back to Box's YouTube channel where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be doing a product overview and review of the Acer Predator Helios 300 PH350 and 53. Inside the box we have the laptop, which comes in a gorgeous box with the Predator logo that gives it a real premium feel, and we also have the charger. First, let's take a look at the design. This gaming laptop is both thin and light, as it weighs just 2.3 kilos, which makes it super portable and easy to carry around with you all day. It has a mix of both aluminium and plastic. The keyboard is well built from aluminium and feels really sturdy. On the other hand, the screen is plastic and a bit wobbly, but as it's not a touch laptop or anything, this shouldn't really be an issue. It has good hinges and overall does feel like it has good build quality. On the back, it has a lit up Predator logo and it has an RGB keyboard, which is always a lovely addition, and the keyboard is in 3 sections which can be easily customised. This gaming laptop has a 15.6 inch screen with thin bezels that gives you a generous amount of screen space without the laptop being too big. It also has a full HD display which gives clear visuals and keeps it nice and sharp. Its IPS display gave vibrant and accurate colours. It was actually a lot brighter than most gaming laptops, so this made it great for media streaming too. It has a 240Hz refresh rate and 3 millisecond response time that gave really smooth and fluid gameplay. This laptop has the Intel Core i7-10750H Hexa Core Processor. It has 6 cores that give great speed and processing power. The Acer Predator has the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 6GB graphics card, which allows you to play on high graphics settings on a range of modern titles. And it also has real-time ray tracing for a lot more realistic visuals. A feature that I thought was pretty cool on this laptop is the turbo button. With this, the fans spin at their max pace to allow the CPU and GPU to run at higher clock speeds, which is great for playing those demanding games. Acer's Aeroblade 3D fan technology works really well at cooling the laptop down. It even has slats on the top to promote more cooling. This works really well to keep the laptop at a consistent temperature. This laptop has Windows 10 Home on it, so it has the game bar, which makes it really easy to screen record, take screenshots and adjust audio settings. This laptop has an impressive 16GB of memory, which gives you a good amount for gaming and multitasking. This allowed me to play games as well as chat, game capture and research things on my web browser really smoothly. It also has a 1TB SSD, which gives you a really high amount of built-in fast storage. In terms of connectivity, on the left side we have a Kensington lock slot, RJ45, 2 USBs and a headphone jack. On the right we have a USB-C, USB, HDMI and mini display port. The charge port is on the back of this laptop, which to be honest, I wish more laptops were laid out like this, as it kept the cable out of the way. The webcam is HD and gave pretty good image, more than what would be needed for the average user, so it's really good for streaming. However, the speakers weren't too great, as they're located on the bottom and were a little bit echoey, but this can be fixed by using external speakers or headphones. This laptop has a battery life of 5 to 6 hours with power management on. For me, it lasted slightly less at 5 hours, but this is still really decent for playing games, as a gaming laptop isn't something you're going to expect to last you a full day in general. Overall, this laptop is pretty impressive. It's fast, has good graphics and gives great gameplay. What do you guys think of this product? Make sure to let us know in the comments, and if you have any questions, pop them below and we'll be happy to get back to you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.